Hi, welcome to the practice questions on being able to write numbers in standard form. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at these 4 questions, and then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers and check whether you've made any mistakes. So pause the video now and have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's go through these model answers now together. Question 1 here. We've got 250,000 and it needs to be written in standard form. Now standard form is a number between 1 and 10. So the first thing we do is we write down the digits 2.5 or 2 and 5, put the decimal in between them. 2.5 is between 1 and 10. That's the first part. And then we need to multiply this by 10 to the power of something. Now, if you think of where you put your decimal point, you put your decimal point here. And you then think of moving these digits this way to the left until the decimal point would end up after the final 0. That would be the power that is replaced above the 10. Now it's a lot easier to think of moving this point. So to move the decimal point, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to get to the end. So your answer in standard form is 2.5 times 10 to the power of 5. Please don't make the mistake of just thinking that there's 4 zeros there, so it's to the power of 4. It's how many places you need to move that decimal point to get to the end. So if we have a look at number 2, we write down the digits that aren't zeros. So we've got 3.62. We're going to times it by 10 to the power of, well, that's where I've put my decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've moved it 7 places to get to the end. 3.62 times 10 to the 7. Question 3 now. This is a decimal number. Now the best way to do this is to start off and count your decimal places first of all. We need to have this as a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to write down the digit 6, which is between 1 and 10. I'm now going to times it by 10 to the power of something. So let's go to here and work out how many places I move this decimal point to get after the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 6 times 10 to the 4. But because this is a number less than 1, it always has a negative power. So it's 6 times 10 to the negative 4. So finally then question 4. Write down your digits. 4.21. There's my number between 1 and 10. I need to multiply it by 10 to the power of, let's count my places, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've moved it 4 decimal places. So again, that will be to the negative 4. Please don't think that you're moving this right to the end like we did with the first one. We need to move it until where we positioned the decimal point in our answer.